'67 Cadillac neutral safety switch. Okay, so that's that part of it there. Put a little lube in here and a little dielectric grease. So what we're going to show you now is the aspect here of the electronics working. So let's park. That's reverse. That's neutral. That's reverse. Back to park. That's reverse. Now, on these older Cadillacs, I really doubt that the vacuum part actually works, so I wouldn't count on that. But the electronics do. As you can see, the plastic is not broken up in here. And the only thing I did was a little bit of penetrating oil and a little bit of dielectric grease on a little paintbrush and got it in there. Alright.